Hi everyone, and thank you for watching this video. So today I will be showing you how to access and utilize the evaluations functions within eMedley. So as you can see, starting from your home page, you should be able to see Welcome to eMedley, your name, the term dates, and your account type. So to find evaluations, you'll go to Evaluations, My Evaluations, and then you'll be able to see what evaluations are available to you, what evaluations are upcoming, what evaluations have been completed, what evaluations have expired, and the evaluations that are completed about you. So in the available section, you're able to see what you can currently complete at this moment. So you'll be able to see the status. You should see the name of the evaluation, who you are evaluating, and when it's available. So to fill out the evaluation, you'll click on this check mark box and you'll click the green Fill Out Evaluation button. Now you can see the evaluation form has populated and you're able to simply click around to answer the questions as you choose. At the bottom, there is a section for comments. You're able to save it as a draft or you can submit it. If you click Submit, you have to choose an option for all the required fields. So at this time, I'll just save it as a draft. Once you have completed it, it will show up in your completed section. In the upcoming evaluation section, you'll be able to see what evaluations are coming up for you during this semester. So as you can see, this student has their midterm as well as their final coming up, and you'll be able to see when you can start to access it and when you will lose access to the form. Once the expiration date has passed, it will populate in the expired section. In the completed About Me section, you'll be able to find evaluations that have been completed about you by your preceptor, as well as any evaluations that you complete about yourself. Some students may be required to submit these into Canvas as an assignment. So to do that, click on the evaluation you would like to download. Then you can click Actions, View Responses, and then you'll be able to go up here in the upper right-hand corner, the screen printer icon. You'll be able to print it as a PDF, and then you can upload that PDF for your submission for your assignment. Thank you for watching.